Your Place Inside and Out is sponsored by HB Home Service Team.
As the seasons are changing, it's a good idea to make sure your home is prepared for the winter elements, which includes your heat working properly throughout the winter. Today we're sharing some signs that can indicate it might be time to replace your HVAC system. To begin, if your HVAC unit has been in the home for 10 years or more. Next is if the airflow going into your home is weak or dull. Another sign is if there are any unique sounds or smells that are coming from your system. Another indicator can be if you noticed your utility bill is abnormally high. And finally, there comes a time when the cost of the repair outweighs the investment of the replacement. Your comfort in your home is important, and if you have questions or concerns, we have pros here for you.
Trust the HB Home Service Team for all your plumbing and HVAC needs. From protecting your home systems with a maintenance agreement to the peace of mind knowing we're available 24/7, 365, the HB Home Service Team is just a phone call away. Home serviced better since 1914.